It's time to attempt one of the world's hardest tasks again.
Let's talk about that. Good mythical morning.
It has been way too long since we have honored our dear friend Belvedere.
We're sorry, he didn't mean friend. He meant almighty leader, right, Link?
Yes, how can I make it up to you, almighty leader Belvedere?
Oh, okay, of course we can attempt another one of your tasks. A task likely to have been pulled from Taskmaster, a British show we're greatly admiring. It's time for Belvedere Says.
Okay, boys, before we get started, let's welcome our other contestants in today's attempt to please Belvedere, Emily and Leonard.
Hi.
They got you to do this too?
They sure did.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
Everyone has already completed or tried to complete Belvedere's demand, but the mythical beasts don't know what that demand is. So let's take a look.
Belvedere! The day has come.
Stevie.
What's this? Nice fit, Stevie.
Yeah, thanks.
I don't know why that makes me nervous that you're wearing a suit. This, right?
To appease Belvedere the cockatrice, silently make the tastiest and prettiest cocktail and give it the coolest name by writing it on the chalkboard.
If you make any noise over 60 dB, that's my bra size. How did you guys know? What is 60 dB?
If you make any noise over 60 decibels, you must pour anything you've prepared into the bucket. Shout, yeah!
Shout classic Link move.
Shout, make your mama proud.
Shout, I'm having a great time at a volume of over 100 dB. Here we go. And start again. You have 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
I have 15 minutes.
You have 15 minutes, your time starts now.
We all had a different thing we had to shout.
Yes, I see that now.
Watching that, us reading that made me super anxious. And
But now you know that dB is decibels, but
what's a decibel?
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Leonard?
It's increment of sound. It's how they measure sound, decibel level.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
I only know this because of sports.
What's it? Never mind.
Audio sports?
Yeah, audio sports. Big audio sports.
Cool,
guy.
cool.
You know, when you're at the game and they're like, oh, the decibel meter is going up.
Gotcha.
And it's always fake.
It's always fake.
Always fake.
Okay,
feel
so
like not
I will say in the edit, some of you took a really long time to read the challenge, and we were nice to you in the edit, but it's okay. We can just all remember who that
you.
was privately. First, we are going to take a look at Rhett and Link's attempts.
Oh. Now, I'm gonna try to figure out how loud 60 decibels is. I'm already over it. Okay, all right.
Tastiest and prettiest cocktail.
No, no.
Is that already too loud? Well, I gotta start over now.
And
Classic Link move!
Louder.
101 dB! Classic Link move!
Scream your face.
Make your mama proud!
no. Loud.
Classic Link move! Oh, classic Link move! Make your mama proud!
Eat the bucket. In the bucket.
Oh, to the bucket. Okay.
Ah! Ah!
No.
Classic Link move! You put an egg in a drink?
Yeah.
That was the joke.
Oh, I'm doing it too. Classic Link move! What? No classic link move! Ah! Classic link move! Classic link move! Classic link move! See, now I'm trying now. I'm trying real hard now.
That's me.
What type of cocktail is this?
Yeah, just a bunch of sticks.
Beautiful. How could that be a classic link move? All I did was rip open. All I did was rip open this. What? What? Ah!
Honestly?
Classic! Classic! Classic link move! Okay, okay. Ah! Ah! Ah!
A knife? You're so proud of yourself.
What are you doing?
Classic link move? Classic link move! That was it's a booby trap! All right.
Okay, so I'm going to be enjoying the dirty wormy, which, to your knowledge, contains.
Well, I thought that maybe you'd be drinking it. That's why I put olives in it. I know I started with rum and orange juice. Not bad though, right? It's got 2 worms in it.
Yep, you did it. You did it.
Yep.
Thank you for this. I appreciate it. Time.
Should I write? Cloudy Wawa. I don't know.
Wow.
I hate this.
Dude,
No, that was wonderful.
I don't know what a decibel is, but I hope it dies.
I think that might be impossible.
So what? My performance didn't make you have more confidence about your own?
No, I was happy to see other people struggle. It was nice.
Okay, good. You guys struggle too?
Oh, I struggled a little bit.
Okay, let's see just how much.
Oh God, why do I need to pee already? What is this? I'm scared, Stevie. Stevie. Oh, that's the sound gun. Okay, got it. All right, let's see.
She's gonna shoot her with something.
I thought she was gonna shoot me with something. I gotta bring it down. I don't know what DB is.
Whoa. Damn, my voice is loud.
All right. Oh, I see something down here. No, scream the thing.
I'm having a great time.
Louder.
I'm having a great time.
Louder.
I'm having a great time.
Okay.
Gummies going in there for sure. No question about the gummies. Now. Yeah!
Oh my God.
I'm having a great time.
Oh, strategy.
Smart. I'm having a great time.
Yeah!
I'm having a great time.
Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Lock it.
Give yourself a quiet pep talk. I'm having a great time. Is that good?
I have to pour that out into the bucket.
Oh, you were so close to being. You were basically done.
I know. Why? Just why?
Card said.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Pillow? You're using a pillow from the couch?
Dang, you're smart,
Yeah,
Leonard. This is
Leonard.
some. Leonard.
Yeah, Jesus Christ.
I'm free.
You're free.
I'm free. I'm free. Ah.
I hate this so much. Son of a. I was so close. The chalk, I thought the chalk fell, and then it didn't fall. And then I made a noise, and I blew it.
Oh, I think it hurt all of us, Leonard. I think it hurt all of us.
I was gonna name the drink the worst experience of your life. I got it part of a tea, and that was it.
Part of the tea.
Oh man, I am so glad
so good.
that you did so bad.
Oh my God.
Okay, so Emily, we both actually.
You're my favorite.
But who won?
I don't know.
Yeah, okay.
Seems
So
like
whoever
you enjoyed it.
I
think my cocktail
determine
was
made
better.
the best drink wins, and you get to sign the Praise-a-Doodle Coupe. And I must say, as much as I like olives, I tend to like them not with orange juice and rum, which means Emily wins!
Yes! Yes!
There you
Thank
go.
you. Hang on, I want to say something.
Oh, yeah.
What's
I
a
wanna-
decibel?
Don't do that. I just want to thank Belvedere. I've pleased him
Oh, yeah.
for this opportunity to please you and to be better than everyone else.
Yes.
I'm having a good time.
Thanks
you.
for commenting and sharing this video.
You know what time it is.
Hi, Rhett and Link. I'm Audrey, and I'm in Vienna, Austria at Belvedere's Palace. Did you know that Belvedere means lovely view in German? And now it's time to spin the wheel of mythicality.
It must be true because she was not struck down.
I did not know that.
Click the top link to watch us rank chip flavors in a tier list and Good Mythical more.
And a part of where the wheel of mythicality is gonna land.
Check out A Hot Dog is a Sandwich, where you can watch Josh and Nicole as they discuss the world's biggest food debates.
Your tongue side or
No, I'm not tonguing the vein deliberately, but like I see the Snickers vein and I think that looks like a really good chocolate bar. It's an attractive part of the chocolate to me.